What's up, guy? Welcome back to Self Review for another video. Welcome, Rebel Nation. Happy New Year. I want to wish everybody, my subscriber, a really good Happy New Year. Wish you all the best. We started Self Rebuild 2 years ago. I know we haven't been that consistent, but this new year, we wish you the best. We wish you consistency and a lot of project. When I say a lot of project, we'll be coming with a lot of project. Like there's so many cars that I purchased a couple of years ago. I recorded some video, but I never have this chance to post it. I have a lot of work, a lot of project I have to go back to. So I'm excited to be back. I'm excited because I will be posting video consistently. I will come in with idea, how to type of videos. We'll be doing a lot of great things together. I'm totally excited. To be back and being able to work on different projects. And now we have our own garage. It's a really little garage, but we should be able to do some content over there. I'm excited for that. I'm trying to keep that video short. And not trying to do a long video. This video is just to wish you guys a really happy New Year 2026, and I can't wait for all the great things that we'll be able to go through together. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please share so we can have a lot of subscribers, a lot of followers, because a lot of great things will happen. All right, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, Rebel Nation. Peace.